Joanne Pakori, hello, good morning. Picori or Picor. What are you doing today? I'm still on bed. I'm lazy to get up. I'm having a headache. I don't know what's going on. But I think I have a flu because since in the morning I always having, but I already take some medicine for my, for my runny nose, clogged nose, everything that nose. Okay guys, okay. Wow, Missy 20. Hello, wow, Missy 20. Good morning. All the way from Philippines. Guys, tomorrow I'll do a live tomorrow for my, um, for my, let's call that, gym. Because I really need, I'm having doing a blood pressure yesterday and it's not good, so I need to have a healthy diet and some exercise also. I need it because this, lately, the feel that I'm always having headache, dizzy. The reason is my blood pressure is uh, higher. So the doctor said that I think we need to. I do work in the house, but mostly I have a lot of, stress. Maybe that's the reason also. So, Peter Kostler, hi. How are you, my honey bunch? How are you? It's been a while that I didn't hear you. How are you? So all I need to do is to do something, I afraid because we family, uh, blood pressure is the most, our. So I need to do some exercise. And who knows, this coming summer, I'm having like a date, or maybe someone will come here and propose me for marriage. I will I will say yes. I will say yes. I want to get married soon. I'm busting my ass right now. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. I know you work hard. I really appreciate that. And thank you also, Peter Gosler, for always supporting me, for my channel. And also for, for everything.